thanks and welcome to Let's Play White Noise Online. Now it's a game where basically, I'm not really sure what it is, but I think what it has to do with it is that you're in a forest, as you can probably tell here, and I think a monster tries to catch you. I'm not entirely sure. But as every YouTuber speaks before they get into it, I'm just going to get into it because you guys might not like it. If you do like it though, oh, here we go. Well, I can play online, purchase the full game, learn how to play, extras, play online, and start game. Tell a friend. Nah. Okay, so we're just gonna get into this, and random location here. Okay, you can go different places. Okay, we're gonna go for easy, and we're gonna go for this map. So, trail mode. This location is not available in the trail. Oh, screw you! How much is it for the full game? My luck. Oh, 69 pence. Well, I don't think I'm getting the full game then, so I think we can go for okay, we can. And what is the characters all about? I don't know, but they look immediately ugly. Nope. I'm just gonna go as this guy because he actually has a hood. Weird. And why is there a phase thing? Why has it got all the different lines as if it's an old TV? Or is that just a game? If it's just a game, then I'm confused. You guys can't even see it on the camera. This is weird, and I'm incredibly slow. And I can only run for a short amount of time. Right, okay, immediately it looks like I'm on Mars. Okay, I have to say this is a similar game to Slender the Arrival, which I also done Let's Plays on. I will put the link for that in the description below. Only episode 1 will be there though, and you can find the other parts by just going onto that channel. As said, this will be uploaded onto my new channel, so if you found it, you don't have to subscribe, but if you want to, yeah. I'll be making more Let's Plays on this, whether I get subscribers or not. What am I supposed to be looking for? Again, like Slender the Arrival, I walk faster than this. But in Slender the Arrival, I do not run very fast at all. Stop with your deep breathing. People can run for way longer than that and not start going. Now, as you can probably tell by the sound of it, I have the cold. So, right. Oh, may I jump in the water, please? That would be a great thing to do. Nope, I can't. Can I jump? Oh, fudge. Yeah, that would be a good thing to do. Yeah, we'll just keep the flashlight on for the sake of it. I can jump. This is a very related game to Slender then. Well, I'm not seeing anything good right now, but neither am I seeing anything bad. Wait, what was that? What was that? Man, whatever that was, or whatever it is. Right, his breathing scared me there. myself, which these Let's Plays are going to be about 9 minutes long. 8 or 9 minutes long this time are going to be for this game. Right, can I only look down for the flashlight? I didn't know I get timed. Ah! Fudge you. But thank you everyone so much for watching, and as always I will see you in the next video. So that's all we can do for this game actually. So we're just gonna video Goat Simulator for the last moments, and I might be playing. You can tell me which one of these games you would like me to play. Obviously not Goat Simulator because it's a hairy goat, that's what it is. Just a random retarded goat that runs about. So that's what's practically done on Wee Noise Online already, because I need the full game to have unlimited time. And I didn't find anything. Or was I just not looking properly? I bet I wasn't looking properly. Please reconnect controller. Why the hell did it do that? Literally. Oh well, that connects. We're going to go Goat City. Whoops. I was supposed to click on it then for a sec. Ah, fudge. Well, we'll just go there. Yeah, baby. Yay, oh god. Travel, please. Please reconnect controller. Look! Why does it do that? And then it just connects again. Well, we're in the city and we're gonna die immediately, I can just tell you. Yeah. What did I do? What did I do? Oh, I pressed the back button. Yay! Oh. Let's do parkour. Yeah. Parkour was created there. My 6th year. This is a big mattress. Didn't bounce me that high. Oh, fudge. I was right at the top. Hi. Oh god. Let's be right to the top floor. Where did that guy go? We're doing parkour. What the hell? This isn't that crazy. Let's see if I can get it just in time. Nope. Well, can we? Oh my word. Right, this isn't what we need. Goodbye. Yardsy, 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 yardsy. You know, let's go to the dam. Yeah, this may sound weird, but I'm saying it right now. Thank you everybody so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.